Who's hungry?
Pepperonis.
Loading for bear, bitches.
Where are they?
Well, you're too close.
No room for. We didn't pack accordingly.
It's the second week of deer camp. I got a swollen head. I'm lying with the dust balls underneath my bed. I'm icy breeze blowing in through the tongue and groove. My pants are sticking to the floor and I'm too sick to move. I didn't drink too many, only 30 cans of beer. Must have been that last shot that put me under here. It's the second week of deer camp and all the guys are here. We drink the card and shoot the bull. We never shoot no deer. The only time we leave the camp is when we go for beer. Second week of deer camp is the greatest time of year. Remember playing poker that Cletus must have won. He's wearing my new swabbers and sleeping with my gun. He's snoring like a chainsaw, the camp's like a dump. Someone's dirty underwear is hanging on a pump. Grandpa's in the wood box, Louie's passed out on the stove. His flannel shirt is smoking, I wonder if he knows. It's the second week of deer camp, all the guys are here. Drink the card and shoot the bull, but never shoot no deer. The only time we leave the camp is when we go for beer. Second week of deer camp is the greatest time of year. Jumble's crawling through the door, I think he's got frostbite. Passed out in the crapper and he's been there since last night. Rocco stumbles through the door and says he got a buck. He's coming from the wayside and he killed it with his truck. Curly cracks the beer and says it's time to celebrate. Rocco got the first buck since 1968. It's the second week of deer camp and all the guys are here. Drink, play cards and shoot the bull.